lesson, we are gonna learn these kanjis. 正しい、大、正しい。Let's learn how to memorize this kanji. Boop. The car stopped before the stop line. Correct. So this is the stop line. And this is kanji 止まる meaning stop. 正しい。The definitions of this kanji are correct, justice, just. How do we read this kanji? 音読みは say, show. 訓読みは正しい、正す、まさ。An example word is 正直。正直言うと、今日は出かけたくないな。Next is 大。もんちゃん said 今日のページの問題に正しく答えた。I answered to the question on today's page correctly. This is kanji 日 as in 今日。Then this is modified kanji 正しい meaning correct. And this is kanji こ meaning page. 大 The definitions of this kanji are topic, subject. 音読み is 大 There's no 訓読み reading. An example word is 問題。問題ないよ。気にしないで。